Welcome back to the Mental Picks, and check this out. Quick check at local retailers by checking quick recent Lego liquidations, and we got some nice pile by putting some couple hours work around your city and just picking up some good stuff. Which one is, I'm gonna tell you straight away. This one, 17 pounds, selling for about 36 pounds each. So ridiculous profitability on this one. Another one, 9 pounds, selling for 25 pounds on Amazon FBA. So again, some nice profits. And we got another one, which one is Marvel stuff, X-Men. Basically again, 9 pounds, selling for 24 pounds each. So another one, nice pile, just by quickly checking your local retailers. And basically you can do the same one by joining Mental Picks, where it's always shared freshest, most profitable leads in the United Kingdom. So join us and pick it up the same what we got. Obviously you can check and our members what they're doing too. Check this out, another one and another one, another one. It just keeps going and going and going. So basically if you want to get the same leads, please join us on Mental Picks private group, and you're gonna get the most freshest, most profitable leads in all United Kingdom. Not only retail arbitrage, we got online arbitrage, and we got all necessary guidances how to be successful Amazon arbitrage seller. So we're going straight into this video because it's done and uploaded, and we're gonna check how it looks in real action, this all sourcing activities. So let's go. Sainsbury's did a recent Lego liquidation, and it's massive one because it's national. So we straight away going into the local stores, all private group members, because it was shared really early, these notifications, because majority of stores got hidden clearance, means stickers, price stickers is not updated and is showing original price still majority of stores. So obviously we checking local stores and making sure we're not missing these goodies, which one is on ridiculous offering right now happening. So I found this pile, which one should be shared on our private group before that, and just double checking the price, and it's correct, 17.20. This is exactly what we shared on our private group to our members, and everyone was picking up like crazy these Lego sets, because these are expensive, these are fat ones, and it's going for ridiculous money on Amazon FBA. Obviously you can sell on eBay too.
Why are you taking the whole stock for?
Huh?
Why are you taking the whole stock for?
Because I can. Oh, you want some?
Just don't sell it to the black market and steal everything.
It's for black market. So sometimes happens like this, just random guy comes and, are you selling for black market? Basically just confirming, yeah, I'm selling just for fun, you know, like, so little guy decided I'm doing something really interesting stuff. I'm not sure why he's asking these crazy questions, but he did. So check this out, another one lead, which one was shared to our private group members. These are crazy profitable stuff, because just purchasing for 9 pounds and selling for 24, 25, or maybe sometimes 30, who knows, because sales rank is ridiculous good still on these high prices levels. And like you see, stickers are still showing 20 pounds on this shelf. So still looking good, actually, still looking great. And we got another one, which one is this one, and it should be 9 pounds too, actually it should be. So just double checking, you know, come to Papa, basically come to Papa. Ridiculous. Again, another one, profitability is really nice profitability, and loading again whatever I can from the shelf, and we got some. And check this out, another one, the same guy.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew.
Yeah. So this little prick, you know what he done? So he decided he didn't like it what I was loading this set. Previously I was loading trolley. He was saying, what I'm doing, maybe I'm selling to black market or whatever. I said, yeah, I'm selling. What you gonna do? And he now came stating, what's your name? Like, I said, Andrew. And he gone to security guy. So security guy, he was telling me I'm stealing or something like that. I have no clue what he was telling, but I thought I'm now stuck, basically, and staff member or security gonna take this trolley, but they didn't. So I saw this guy coming back, just laughing, you know, like this young guy, because security guy wasn't reacting to him at all. Like, basically, I don't know what he was telling to security, but anyways, a little bit strange interactions, but sometimes happens. 280 for all this trolley, ridiculous cheap, because offering is about 3 times less than actual RRP price. Profitability is crazy too. Happy as hell because it check, you know, like checking just only a couple of local stores. Hey yo, that's a huge pile actually. Another one pile of these ones, and obviously my target was these Star Wars Lego sets for 11 pounds because it's really cheap offering. I never seen so low offering in price Star Wars like this, because they're going quite expensively on websites like lego.com or Sainsbury's, Asda, Tesco, you name it. They're going for about 20-25. Online I think it's going over 30 pounds these sets, so it's really nice as an investment for 11 pounds, because only these 3 mini figures going for about 13 pounds. So all set is 11 pounds, so ridiculous offering. Shame only 1 pound, but it depends on your location, actual location. So it's only 1, but you know, still good because I got other stuff. And another 1 pile. And like you see, another 1 pile. Which one is these sets? Again, nice offerings, only 9 pounds each, these sets. So profitability is going to be really crazy good, because they're selling over 20, 24, 25, maybe 30 sometimes. And plus Q4 coming, gonna be really nice sales activities on this one. And wasn't putting so much hard work in it to source that pile, basically to make multiple hundreds in profits just locally. No need to go to different cities, nothing. Like you saw previously, our private group members was killing with multiple trolleys, let's say, some of them full car maybe loaded, and it depends on your area actually. This is how it looks, guys. If you want to get more leads like this is really fresh lead drop was, and most freshest in all United Kingdom in Mental Pigs private group. Our members really happy with these leads, and we got lots of other leads too. I don't know, you can check our Discord group, link in description section, and you decide is that good enough for you or not. But I can promise you we got the biggest count of lead drops in all United Kingdom related to private groups, which one providing leads, and obviously all the professional guidances, which one is the most professional in all United Kingdom too. So join us, you're gonna love it, I can promise you this. Thank you for watching, and basically till next time, and check my other videos too.
Look, Ma!